In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable editing of non-visible layers on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then select Preferences. On the left side, you want to select Tool Options. And then on the right side underneath General, where it says Allow Editing on Non-Visible Layers, either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.